Yo, what's up, guys? So I said, uh, so as I said in my first video, I will show you the part two. So this is a part two. My game just downloaded, and now I'll show you how to install this game in your Android devices. So just follow my lead, okay? Go to this folder and click on Z Archiver, and you will find this. Just click open on first tab. Other steps I will tell you later. And if you guys don't believe me, this game won't work. So I will show you a little bit gameplay. This will work. So if you like this video, make sure you make thumbs up if you enjoy this video, and subscribe to my channel, and like the video, please, always. So let's check all the folder we have. Oh, so now guys, click on downloads, okay, and search for the Iron Man, okay. Let's search. Yeah, the second step after that, you will find first Iron Man 2 zip file, and then this file will make automatically ISO folder, and you have to click on extract another zip file. Again, click on replace all. I will just show you. This can take time little bit. This is the installation process I will showing you. And now search if the folder make on here or top. Yeah, I remember. The next folder automatically made on top after this zip. Let's go on top. Let's go. And you will see this file, okay? Click on extract here and apply all files. And this is the extracting process. Click on this one again. After that, click on that one, and then you will done. and click on this one again, Iron Man, and then your folder will make perfectly. And here let's go the final step. Now I will show you how then after this step the is the now the last step. Go to PSP emulator that you have downloaded from Play Store, and here enjoy guys. Here your game. I will show you the little bit gameplay. Look, I told you. This is, and now you can see the game will work. So just follow these steps I told you in the video. If you just follow these steps perfectly, then you can play this game on PSP emulator, or otherwise it won't become a, otherwise the file doesn't make on PSP emulator. Click on new and click on new game.
We on? Good. I am Iron Man. I said it and I mean it. I'm a superhero.
And now you can see this is the Tony Stark.
But what does it mean? Save the
This
world.
Iron Man 2 game based on movie.
Does.
Iron Man 2 movie you
Sure,
saw
it's great to say.
on
It's great to
TV.
start foundations and give speeches and raise a glass and tell ourselves we're making the world better. But tell me, how can one guy save the world? It's not like I'm out of ideas. I'll tell you what it is. It's like every time I start to get my head around something really beneficial to mankind, like the Free Energy Initiative or global climate control, some genius shows up with an army of killer robots
Just like the
or
movie.
some other ridiculous scheme for world dominance, and I have to drop everything and knock heads together. Take Roxxon. Great company, smart people. Not Stark smart, but smart enough. And they're trying to make an army of Iron Men. They can't even fit an operator in there. So they're literally brain dead.
Tony, it's me. We got a thing.
Talk to me, Brody.
Action at the Stark Archives, Chief. Suit up.
It's a big job, dear hearts. Trust me. And I'm the man for it.
Just like the movie in Iron Man 2 and
Want the best? You got
how
the
he's
best.
shooting up.
And I'm not gonna lie to you.
Same like the movie scene.
Gotta save the world. But I've been having a hell of a time making it up as I go along.
I will show you this little bit gameplay first. Oh, now it started. Anyway, let's show you.
Check. Well, let's get rolling, Jarvis.
And say
Repulsors are primed and in full strength. Sir, I'm picking up the signature of an item of interest nearby.
Now you can see the fight begin. You can see the alright cool graphics, but actually I'm new in this game, so I don't know how to play, but I'll show you the part 2. So make sure big thumbs up, subscribe, and always